Today I want to give you a first-hand look at this folding hand truck that the seller sent over to me. Now what really surprised me about this is how functional and easy it is to use. If you ever struggled with moving heavy gear, luggage, or boxes, this compact dolly cart is about to become your new favorite tool. First off, no assembly is required. You just unfold it and go. It literally takes 3 seconds. It even has a self-locking mechanism so it won't collapse while you're moving things. Now here's what really sets this apart. It has 6 wheels, 2 front fixed wheels, and 4 360-degree swivel casters that make it super smooth to maneuver. Whether it's over gravel, carpet, tile, or even uneven sidewalks, this cart can handle it all. And this little thing only weighs 6.5 pounds, but can carry up to 500 pounds. And when you're done, it folds down smaller than a carry-on, and you can stand it up vertically to tuck it away in your closet or garage. You also get 2 elastic ropes that are included, and the 3-stage adjustable handle goes from 32 inches all the way up to 47 inches, so you're not all hunched over when using it. So whether you're traveling, unloading supplies, moving furniture, or just hauling gear for a project, this hand cart makes life easier and is a must-have for any home or office. Thanks for watching.